So on this video, we're just going to quickly run through a project checklist and refurbishment pricing menu, just to try and keep you guys in tow with costs and what you should be looking for. So both the documents are in your notes below. So this is kind of a project checklist of what you need in terms of furniture, potential. If you're going to be fully kitting them out for SAs or HMOs, you're going to need most of these. What you need in a kitchen, what you need in a bathroom. What I then do is just, what's required, what size, so double, single, etc. Who the supplier is, when we ordered it, what the order number was, what the delivery date was, and what the install date was. When you're ordering lots of stuff, you need to keep on track of it, or you end up with missing items and, you miss things off. And again, with the refurbishment price list, it's just basically rough costs of what things would cost to replace. So, new water pressure tank, plasterer, all that sort of good stuff. And then the same with furniture. So what roughly furniture will cost. So the two go hand in hand to be able to help you make some decisions when costing things up, and should keep you on the right track to efficiently cost your refurbs up and make sure that you're going to make profit from day one when you're analyzing your deals. So get them downloaded, use them. If you've got any questions about them, ping it into the group and we'll get them answered for you.